Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove text from your video on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on CapCut. So I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to select video from my gallery. For example, I'm gonna go with this one guys. I'm going to remove the text from this video. So I'm going to add this video to my project, and then I'm going to duplicate this video. We can click on the video and then scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. Okay, right here, click on duplicate, and now as you can see guys that the video has been duplicated, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on overlay, and then I'm going to make it align with my first video. And to remove the text, we're going to use mask. We can click on the second video and then go to the mask menu. Wait, okay, this one, and then you can choose the shape of the mask you want to apply, and then I'm going to use the circle mask, and we're going to adjust the size and the position, and you can take another part of your video to cover the text. Okay, I'm just going to take this part. I think this part will be suitable to cover my text, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and I'm going to cover my text like this. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I think it looks good guys, but I'm going to do adjustment to make it more natural. So you can go to the adjust menu. Wait, I'm still trying to find the adjust. We can click on adjust right here, and you can adjust the brightness, the contrast, or the saturation to make it more natural. And I think I'm going to adjust the brightness. I'm going to increase it a little bit. Okay, perfect. And this is the final result. As you can see that the text has been removed from my video. Okay, and if your text is moving, you can use the keyframe to make the mask follow the moving text. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove text from our video using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!